Welcome to Wired In. Today we're talking about lighting. I'm looking at all these technologies and I'm looking at all of these things and I'm asking myself questions about whether I have an opportunity. Maybe I have one location with multiple floors, maybe I have multiple locations, maybe I have a campus of locations. Right. What kinds of situations do you find where you can make the most impact?
I think that's what's exciting about being a facility manager, right? So you're faced with a budget, you're faced with multiple locations, could be across the country, across the state. They're all different. Mm-hmm. They may all look similar with signage, but they're all different sizes, they're all different shapes. They have different problems. They have different systems, not just lighting systems, sometimes different control systems, sometimes different rooftop units. So they're all different, right? So that's the exciting part. And you have to figure out how to keep them operating.
That doesn't sound exciting to me to have everybody
and
for them all to be different.
Right. So that's a big challenge, right? And so we want to understand, right? Where are you at? Are you building a new facility? That might be a different lighting system than you have a few older facilities that just you want to maintain, that don't want to do anything with it. So we look at the company as a whole and we try to understand. We want to listen, we want to learn, but we want to help you make the right decisions. It's all about education. We never want to come to the table with, I have a really nice lighting fixture that would look spectacular in your location.
Would you say you deal with people who have a solution and looking for a problem? I think I said that wrong. They have a solution in search of a problem.
And I think there are a lot of lighting companies out there, a lot of great companies out there, but if their focus is to sell you a product, right, and not help understand if that's the right product, and maybe not today, but maybe 10 years from now. It's really about where are you going? It's what is the state of your facility, and what is the best decision for you today? It may not be a lighting fixture at all.
Oh, I think that's a really important point. Is the first question to ask really, and I think I've heard you say this before, is what am I doing and what do I need, right?
Absolutely.
And is that a what mistakes can I make if I don't ask that question first?
I think the mistakes you can make are you're going to buy a product and it's not going to work. It's not going to be compatible with the control system you have. You're not going to be happy. And most importantly is it may not help the environment. And maybe your employees perform worse under it. Maybe they can't perform as well as the older technology. So that's important, right? The store, if it doesn't look great and it's not inviting and lighting doesn't help you get there, then you're selling less product, right?
So the mistake you can make and the pitfall you fall into is trying to implement a solution and not really look at the problems and not really look at your facility and your needs.
Yeah, I always say, if you're a doctor, you're a dentist, you're a doctor or you're a dentist. You're not a lighting consultant, and you're not a lighting expert. So you should always ask, no matter what industry. If you're in the health and fitness industry, and you're not, and you want to become more healthy, you hire a personal trainer, right? We all need that. We all need someone to help us.
You're getting a little personal.
Accomplish a goal, as me as well. But we're trying to help you or the facility owner accomplish a goal. His goal is not to buy lighting.
Right.
His goal is to keep the facility operating as it should, to either sell more product or to have a gym that people can play basketball in.
Hey, thanks for watching. Before you go, 3 quick things. First of all, if you like this content and you want to see more of it, hit the like and subscribe button down below. We're going to be releasing these on a regular basis. So while you're down there, hit the notification bell, and when we come out with new content, you'll be notified. This is a community that's built on your questions, your comments, and your participation. There are 2 ways that you can participate in that. One, obviously, ask questions in the comment section down below or make a comment. We'd love to know what you hear. Also, we're taking your comments, putting them together, and there is a companion podcast that goes along with this video where we're going to answer all of your questions and all of your concerns that you have around this topic or any others. Look in the show notes down below for links to the podcast or any of our other content. Thanks, guys.